That's how you build a gradient button in Webflow. Hi guys, so today I was going through the Apple Watch website and there's something that caught my eye. Yeah, so you can see that this is a button with a gradient border and it looks pretty good. So let's learn how to build it on Webflow. So first of all, what we are gonna do is we will add a div block. Okay, we'll give it a class of button wrapper. We'll add some padding on each side. We'll make it flex and align it to the center. Okay, now the first step of creating a button is that we will add an element which is gonna be a link block. We'll give it a class of button gradient. Okay, now within the button gradient we will add a text block. We'll give it a class of button text. Okay, I misspelled it. Okay, now it's good. We will give it some padding on each side. Yeah, this was pretty fine. We will add some font size to make it look a little better. We will remove the decoration because it looks annoying. Yeah, okay, so to remove the decoration I'll have to select the button gradient because that's where the link block is. Now it is removed. I will add some text, gradient button. Okay, so I think we are done with the layout. There are some changes that we need to do. Is first of all we will select the button gradient and we will give it some padding. So now here's the thing, we will have to add padding as much as we want the border width to be. So I want the border to be 2 pixels, so I'll add 2 pixels on each sides. So as you can see that it has added some spacing between the text block and the button gradient. Now the second thing that we need to make sure is that the button text has the same background as the background of the button wrapper. So as you can see it is white right now, so I will make sure that the button text has a background which is also white. Yes, now we need to select the button gradient as I have selected right now, and we will add the gradient. We will select the gradient, and what we are going to do is we will add some pretty nice colors. You can choose whatever color you want. Okay, so I think that's fine. Now what we need to do is we will set the angle to 90 degrees. It will make the gradient horizontal. So that's it for now. Okay, I think we need to add some color at the last one as well. So I will select the last gradient color and give it something yellow. Okay, now our gradient is complete. It's not looking as it was in the Apple website, so we will try to make it look a little like the Apple Watch website. So we will give it some radius, which is going to be around 20 or maybe 50 pixels. Yeah, Now we need to give the same radius or -2 radius to the parent wrapper. So I will give it something like 48 or maybe some less, 46. Yeah, I think that's looking pretty good. If you're not happy with the border width right now, so we can increase it always. You can go to the padding section and you will give some more padding to it, and this will create a pretty good looking gradient button for you. So that's how you build a gradient button in Webflow.